Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to Curious Cub, where we make learning super fun. Today, we have a fiery, explosive topic. Can you guess? That's right. We're talking about volcanoes. Have you ever wondered why volcanoes erupt? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the Earth. Okay, let's imagine we have X-ray vision and can look deep inside the Earth. The Earth has different layers. The outer layer is called the crust. That's where we live. Beneath it is the mantle, a super hot layer of melted rock called magma. Think of it like a big pot of bubbling lava soup. Now, what happens when too much magma builds up? It pushes and pushes until, boom, the volcano erupts. Did you know there are over 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth? Some of the most famous ones are Mount Vesuvius in Italy, Mount Fuji in Japan, and Kilauea in Hawaii. Some eruptions are slow and oozy, like honey dripping, but others go kaboom with flying ash and lava. But guess what? Volcanoes aren't just scary, they actually help the Earth. The lava cools down and makes new land. And guess what else? The ash from eruptions helps make the soil rich so plants can grow better. Now, time for a fun fact. Did you know there are volcanoes on other planets too? Scientists found a huge volcano on Mars called Olympus Mons. It's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Whoa! Wow! We learned so much today. How magma turns into lava, why volcanoes erupt, and even about volcanoes on Mars. Did you enjoy today's adventure? Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite volcano? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing science fun. See you next time on Curious Cub. Bye!